Hey guys, how's it going? So I decided to make a video before I listen to the conference call, because I do plan to listen to the conference call to hear what they have to say, because I listened to the last conference call. But anyways, Afria reported earnings today and the stock is not doing too bad this morning. It's not up, but it's not down a lot. It's only down 24 cents. Um, a lot of people, there's a lot of eyeballs right now on Afria stock. There's 189 people looking at the stock price as of recording this morning. So obviously there's people looking. The earnings wasn't too bad, but it wasn't good enough for shareholders to continue to pump the stock. Earnings, the conference call could change things around. There could be, good questions asked that could reverse the stock price and push it to the upsides further. But Afria was already in oversold territory, so a sell-off could be healthy. So this sell-off could be an opportunity, or it could further decline the stock. Don't know what you want to do at the end of the day, but it's down right now. So let's just go over the earnings report. So, they did report an positive adjusted EBITDA, but it was a negative income overall. So let's just quickly go over gross revenue. For adult use was 56.7 million, an increase of 27% from prior quarter and fifth consecutive quarter growth. So they did gain some market share for the adult use of 56.7, which is good, which is positive. They're making money. The net MJ revenue 53.1 million from the fourth quarter, an increase of 81% from the prior year quarter. Net revenue of 152.2 million in the fourth quarter, an increase of 18% from the prior quarter. It's a little lower. The net revenue is a little lower than what analysts predicted. They predicted, I think, $158 million. So it fell a little short there, but that's not too bad. Cash to cost to produce is 88 cents in the fourth quarter, a decrease of 5% from the prior quarter, which is good. The lower the cost to produce, the higher the gross margin. Adjusted EBITDA of 8.6 million, an increase of 49% from the prior quarter. Adjusted EBITDA means, a positive profit. Adjusted EBITDA from MJ operation of 9.3 million from the fourth quarter, an increase of 55% prior quarter. Ending the fourth quarter with a strong balance sheet, including $497.2 million of cash and cash equivalent to fund planned Canadian and international growth. Receives European. I'm not gonna read everything. So if we scroll further down, net revenues of 157, gross profit of 47 million. That means gross profit of 30% of 152 million, which is okay, I guess, because that includes distribution revenue, but the adjusted MJ revenue was $28 million, which is 52.9%. 52.9% gross margin for MJ is not too bad. It's pretty good. It's okay. I mean, if it was like 60% or 70%, it would have been much better. Adjusted distribution gross profit was 11.947. So if you add these two numbers together, it equals to 47 million. It's pretty good actually. Adjusted distribution gross profit was 11.9794. It's not bad. The adjusted distribution gross profit was 12.1%, but they lost 98.843 million from some impairment charges, and maybe that's what is why they're not happy with. That's why investors are not happy, because of the impairment charges. Cash to produce dry MJ was 88 cents. All in cost was $1.69. So it was a decrease from 93 cents. But the all in cost is the same. Adjusted EBITDA of 9.36 compared to 6 for the last quarter, which is good. Working capital of cash and equivalent is 497 million compared to 550 million from last quarter. So they still have a ton of cash on the balance sheet. Let's just quickly look at the SEDAR, see what they have to say on SEDAR. Just gonna quickly go over this. Okay, so cash is 497, and then they have bank and payable account liabilities, current liabilities of 170 million, long-term debt of 129, convertible debenture of 270, so that is 400 million dollars of debt, 660 million dollars of liabilities, which is not too bad compared to the cash position of 497 million dollars. So they're pretty strong cash position compared to how much debt they have or how much liability they have. So that's good sign, I guess. Since it was for the year ending, you can't really see what this is, but they did break it up in the earnings report. But for the full year is MJ revenue was $204 million. It's pretty strong compared to last year of 89 million. So, and then gross production cost was 64. Cost of MJ purchase was 21. Cost of goods purchase was 322. This is the distribution revenue. Gross profit before fair value adjustment was 133. Gross profit in total was 191. The operational expenses was 258, but then you gotta take out the impairment, which is 63, and you also have to take away amortization, which was 21, and share-based compensation. Let's just take our calculator and see what their gross profit was. I mean, how much money they actually made. 99. Let's call this 100. Plus 21. Plus 20. Call this 23. And plus 5.7. $149 million and their gross profit was $191 million. So you just go 191 minus 154. Or 149. That, so they made like 40. Sorry, I guess I'm 154. So actually, my bad. They made 40 something million dollars of profit for that quarter, but because of the impairment charges, it came out to be a loss. But in theory, they didn't really lose money. They actually made money. So yeah, it's a good full year. Hopefully this continues. The company's not bad. It's not a bad business at all. They're generating profits, but the stock is tanking right now. Why? Well, because it was already oversold and the quarter wasn't good enough for I guess big money to pump. So it sold off. This sell off will lead to an opportunity, I think. But I did warn you guys that there was a possibility that it could sell off, and that's what's happening right now. We'll see how low this goes. But like I said, the conference call could change things around, and I'm sure Ivan Simon's going to come out with some CNBC interviews and all that, and it might bring the stock price back up in the evening. But for now, it's going down, so we'll see if that can continue. Aurora is down 20 cents this morning. I seriously thought that Aurora was going to go up after the Afria's earnings, but it went down, so, it is what it is. Canopy is also getting dragged down a little bit from Afria's earnings. Canopy, not looking forward to Canopy's earnings, I'll be honest with you. Kron is up, but I think it's going to get dragged down too. Tilray is also down this morning, 11 cents. Hexo is down 1. Hexo is also down, but that's not too much of a shocker. Organigram is probably down 2. No, it's up a penny this morning. Sundial Growers, neutral after hours. AMD though, AMD is up $75.14. Solo is down 3 cents this morning. The lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes. I don't know. Let's look at the market watch. Let's see what the market is doing today. The market is green. Gold is up. Gold is slightly up. Silver is up. Oil is up. Good day today. And then let's see what Intel is. Intel is up 17 cents. TSM is up $1.23. Nvidia is up $6.68, 1.63%. Kron is I'm not talking about Kron. Beyond Meat. See Beyond Meat up 82 cents. Oh, that's right. Very. No, I don't. Very is close right now, but no, never mind. I don't know what I was thinking. Why can't I think of stuff this morning? Oh yeah, Tesla. Tesla up $25. FUV. Some of the FUV's up. Blink is up 21 cents. What else? Can't think of anything. Neo? Neo is up 43 cents. Man, Solo sucks. Why is Solo down when all the other EV players are up? WHAKS up 2 cents. What's another stock? Shell? Down a penny. Plug? Up 9 cents. Nikola, I bet you Nikola's up. No, Nikola's down 14 cents. No, I can't really think of any other stocks, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.